Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're well, I hope you're blessed, I hope you're living life. Welcome to a new vlog. So this week, this is a semi-new week. As you can see, I'm in my gym outfit. I'm going to go to the gym. I'm trying to take gym very seriously. Omo, I actually want to be fit. Like, I'm tired of lying to myself. I want to be a fit girl. I want to be a fit girl, okay? So I want to be able to look at my body, look at the mirror and say, yes, I look good. Yes, I look good. So I'm going to the gym today. It's nearly after work, but that's besides the point. And I also want to run a few errands. I'm going to get to the hair shop because I'm going to take out this hair at some point, maybe this evening or tomorrow, and do cornrows for wigs, because Marionette can't do my hair. Like, to have to journey to go to Marionette now to get my hair done is a whole different wahala. So Marionette cannot do my hair, so I'll just have to stick to my natural hair or maybe just wear wigs. Hey, Christmas is coming. What are your Christmas plans? I would like to know. Me, I don't know yet. There's nothing has been set, but I know that I'm going to be gallivanting. I know that I'm going to be gallivanting during Christmas. So that's that for me. So yes, anyways, let's go and enjoy my evening. Oh, by the way, you guys, I forgot to tell you, I'm cooking okwa. I don't know if you're Nigerian and you know what okwa is. I am making okwa. And one thing I dread about okwa is the washing. The washing takes forever. So the okwa is soaking right now in the kitchen. When I come back from the gym and everything else I have to do, then I'll go and wash it and make okwa this evening. This is my okwa. I have to let it sit in water for a while, then I will wash it off. And you have to be very particularly careful with this one because there's too much stones. Like Ishiokwa na de long, but I'm going to make it really nice. Hopefully I'll bring you guys along to the process of me cooking it. If not, that's that. And my nails are long overdue, so I will also get it done at some point this week in this vlog as well. But that's that. Let me go to the gym and I'll see you guys. How come the Primark in London, I don't see stuff like this? Wait, hold on, let me show you. Like, they have a whole section. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, I haven't been to Primark in London for a while, but this is amazing. I think they even have another one as well. I don't know what cafe it's called, but it's somewhere. Christmas stuffs. Yay, Christmas! I've come here to get bedding, but every time I come, it seems like there's something new. Let me go and pick up what I need, and then I'll come back for you. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come this kind of things when they make man see ya. And me, I understand, so you don't know like me. See me, I want making those and me there for you, cara. And if not, you price me down, that's why I don't see ya. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. You've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me what fixed. You know that's my season. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. Try me. Who you gonna love? You run by me, love. Too many twists and turns, Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, come here, I too fly, I get burned. This is the quick update. I've taken out my braids, and I also wanted to show you guys my nails. Like, I got my nails done yesterday. I shortened it, so I had to cut my nails. I cut my nails because it was too long. The last set that I did, it was too long, so now I'll it's shorter. It's shorter, and I like it. I like the color. I actually wanted it to be more light blue, but this is still okay. I wanted it to be a bit lighter than this, but it don't matter. you know we're gonna shine in the midst of winter. Yeah, baby. Yeah, that's right. So so quick updates. Look at my face. Look at my face. I think I want to thread my eyebrows. I want to do some skincare. I want to pay attention to my skin, so I think I'll do all of that. This is like a self-care video-ish kind of vibe, you know what I'm saying? So hair taken out, my braids taken out. I'm going to wash my hair. I'm going to wash my hair this evening, and I'll cornrow it, and I will do my eyebrows by myself this evening as well. I just want to look and feel good. And then I have this wig that I'll be unboxing in this video. I've had this wig for a while now. I've not worn it, so I'm excited to uh, tap into my grown girl era and be wearing wigs in the coming weeks. Yeah. Last time I spoke to you guys, I told you I was doing an unboxing video. So here is the hair that I got. Too many twists and turns, Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, come here, I too fly, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Girl, your body at the Titan. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease. Yeah, but she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease. So yes, this is my hair. This is my wig from I See Hair. So I See Hair. If you see this hair, if you come across this video, yes, and we can do some collaboration, some sponsored videos, because this video is not sponsored right now, but I am open to that. Imagine me doing sponsored videos, like doing unboxing videos with you guys, like wow. But anyways, soon come. So yes, so I'm coming to the end of the video, but I wanted to show you guys bits and bobs that I bought in the last few days. So I bought this USB thing. Basically what it does is you can mount multiple USB stuff, and because I'm trying to take YouTube seriously, I'm unplugging, so it's nice to have everything in one. And the next I got is this hanger. I got from Amazon. So I have exactly the same one in my wardrobe, but I don't have enough. So I got another box so I can have more. I still have wardrobe space. I would like to hang up my clothes. And lastly is a book. I'm reading. I am reading. I am reading. I am reading. I'm gonna be a serious girl. So my friends and I are starting a book club. So and this is the book that they have picked. I've heard good things about the book, so I'm really excited to start reading. I am reading another book, but I haven't finished reading that book. And I don't know, the book is dragging. So I think I will just stop completely and just start reading this one. So it's called You Made a Fool of Death with Your Beauty. Written by Akweke. Kweke. Do you know, if you're Igbo, Akweke, you know what Akweke means? Like the egg of a python, or like, yeah, it's very special, very, very special. Akweke. So Akweke Emezi is who wrote this book. So I've heard good things. I'm gonna be serious. I'm reading. I'm trying to be consistent on YouTube. I'm going to the gym. Like my life is looking like it's getting somewhere. Like, is this adulting? Like, do I have adulting in check? Do I? Do I? Guys, if you have come to the end of the video, essentially, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. Um, yes, I'm trying to be consistent. So thank you to my friends, to my family, to subscribers. Sometimes someone asks me like, when are you releasing the next video? And I'm trying to be consistent now. So thank you guys for holding me accountable. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Like, do you like this hair? Do you like this hair? Do you like this hair? It's from IC Hair. Got it from IC Hair. It's supposed to be like a birthday gift to myself, but I never really got around boxing it because I was just not in the mood. But I'm glad that I'm doing it now. This hair makes me look proud. Like I look like my age. Do I look like my age? Do I look like my age? People tell me I don't look like my age, but I think I do. I think I look like my age. Okay. But the thing is, with the way young people are looking these days, can you really tell? You can't differentiate who is 20 and who is 30. But I am in my late 20s. Girl, I am in my late 20s. Are you serious? But bye.